वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं इस
इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी
कारवान मिनी की। आपको पता होगा कि कारवान मिनी का एक बड़ा वर्जन आता है कारवान, जो कि थोड़े दिन पहले रिलीज हुआ था। उसका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा था। उन्होंने अभी एक छोटा वर्जन निकाला है जिसमें आपको ब्लूटूथ मिलता है, एफएम मिलता है और 351 सॉन्ग्स इनबिल्ट मिलते हैं। ये एक बहुत ही अच्छी डील हो जाती है। अगर आप 351 सॉन्ग्स को देखते हैं तो वो 80s और 90s के सॉन्ग्स हैं। और जैसे कि अभी दिवाली फेस्टिवल आ रहा है, सो अगर आप अपनी पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को गिफ्ट करना चाहते हो तो ये परफेक्ट एक गिफ्ट होगा उनके लिए, क्योंकि ये उनके ज़माने के गाने हैं। इसमें 351 सॉन्ग्स मिलते हैं जो कि 80s और 90s के हैं। और ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर में मिलता है वोकल्स और एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट इन द स्पीकर। आई एम यूजिंग इट फॉर 1 महीना हो गया है। उसके बेसिस पर मैं आज आपको रिव्यू भी देने वाला हूँ और इसका अनबॉक्सिंग भी करने वाला हूँ। विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। When it comes to the box of the Carvaan Mini, you can see here it's Saregama Carvaan Mini, and here is the Saregama Carvaan Mini branding. 351 super hit songs, FM and radio. Everything is normal. So let's open it. Just open it like this. Here it's not just a Bluetooth speaker. So let's open it. So you get a manual here. Then it's again the manual. It's a user manual and it says FM and AM manual. So here you get a warranty card also. It has I think 6 months warranty. So let us check out the box contents. Here is the speaker. Let's keep it aside. Here you have a micro USB cable to charge your speaker. Then in the box nothing is there. It's just that. So guys, this is our speaker. So let's remove it. So guys, as you can see here, it's totally brown. Here you get a metal mesh. Then here it is soft touch plastic. It's a very premium kind of plastic. You get a grip something to keep it like this. Then you can see here on the top, here is the power button, then the volume button up and down, then the skip and all play pause button. Then when it comes to this side, it has this Saregama button, FM radio button and Bluetooth button. You can change anything. So let us give it a boot. So now it's on. As you can see, it's in the Saregama mode. So the old song is started here. Then when you click here on FM radio, the radio has started. If you think the quality is not so good, then you can just pull out the antenna.
Once this festive season with Domino's Cheesy Delights. Flat 50% off exclusively on Domino's app.
See how long
Domino's
it is
delivery till
here?
3 a.m. Order now. TNC apply.
Domino's यावर्षी तुम्ही शिकलात योगा आणि बनवल्या आपल्या कुटुंबियात.
It's just let us bend this antenna. It just bends down. First of all, we need to push it in, then bend it here, just like this. Let's go. So I'll connect it to my Android phone. So to go into the Bluetooth devices. So guys, we're searching for it. So here is the Carvaan Mini. So let us connect it. So guys, now it's connected. So after connecting it, I'll just play a song.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a more. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause even if they understand. Shaking on this up. One's favorite girl. So tight, can't even fly away. I've never been so right away. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise. A fire burning in my eyes. Nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way.
So guys, as you can see, it has a good bass and you can even play the high bass songs here. This is the Saregama thing. You can simply change the songs from this button. So it's a pretty handy device. So as you can see here with Saregama Caravan Mini, here you get a micro USB port, a light indicator when you charge it. Then here you get a aux in, then a USB port and a reset button. And here you get a headphone jack port. So when you want to listen these songs inside this, which are the 351 songs, you can listen it with your headphones. If you don't want to play it on a speaker, you can also listen it on your headphones. So that's a really good feature. So that
ये आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। सो यही था आज कारवान मिनी, जिसका प्राइस लगभग कुछ 2000 के बीच में। अगर आप किसी को गिफ्ट करना चाहते हो 2000 का प्राइस, मतलब अपने पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को, सो ये परफेक्ट होगा, एक आइडियल गिफ्ट है उनके लिए। सो इसके बेस्ट बाय लिंक्स मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। सो अगर आप लेना चाहते हो तो वहाँ से आप ले सकते हो। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।